So we pick up Ashton. I fold his right arm like this, and then his left arm in front, and then very gently hold his arms like this, hold his little bottom, and gently rock him up and down, just like that. And even though he just got a shot, look at that leg. That's a big ouch on that leg there. You can see that you can comfort him and quiet him. Again, I'm holding with my right hand his little bottom. I'm gently shaking him back and forth. We rock him up and down very gently. Sometimes we stir him to the left and we stir him to the right. And you fold the arms across the chest. Number 2, you secure the arms after they're folded. Number 3, you gently grab the diaper area with your dominant hand. And then number 4, at a 45-degree angle, you gently rock the baby up and down. You can shake their booty, and generally, by doing this, the child will quiet down. Finally, if your baby does not quiet down, think about 2 things. Maybe your baby's not feeling well, they're ill, or number 2, maybe your baby is hungry. Finally, I find that the hold is very helpful for the first 2 to 3 months of age. After that, your baby becomes too heavy, and it's very difficult to hold a baby at that point.